This 2025 Keystone Passport 3360BK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, self-contained, LP detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, TV, external shower, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, patio deck, raised patio, rear kitchen, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Passport 3360BK is 6,840 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.